guys, we are Animal Flower Cave. Let me show you. We just got here. We're in the parking lot. There's a tour bus over there. And there is, this is what the surroundings look like. We're just on the outside, so let's see where we're going from here. Can I put you on camera? Can I put you on camera? Guys, this is a very special lady. Her name is Betty. She's given us a tour this morning of places that we have not seen before. Even Juliet and Joanne, who live here, have not seen these places before. So we want to say thank you, Miss Betty. Betty brought us all the way over here. So we're going to go in now and check it out and see what it's all about. And I'm taking you guys with me. You guys are lucky. You guys get to go with me. Let's go. Buses.
Yeah, so you cannot go.
Okay.
Oh, excuse me. Are you open to go there?
Yeah.
Okay, where did you say there?
Pay at the bar.
At the bar?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Ooh, sorry. Excuse me.
Free to walk all around before to go to the cave and pay at the bar.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so we'll walk around and then first and then go.
For
Yeah.
the view? The view?
Yeah, we can go to the view.
When I say that,
The
maybe.
view is, okay. So we're gonna go over there. Yeah. Okay, guys. So I'm taking you to the view, and then we're gonna go inside. But I want you to see first. Those are probably school kids. Seems like they have some school kids over here that's on tour. Hello. Yeah, I'm trying. I'm showing the view. Did you make these? You made these? Oh my goodness, they're beautiful. Okay, these are like little bird feeders. Okay, very nice. Can I just look at what you have over here?
Why not? I'm not going to stop you.
All right.
That's a camera?
Yeah, it's a camera. I'm a YouTuber, so I'm just checking. Oh, she's in shock. She's in shock. Her hand's gone over her mouth. Yeah, I'm a YouTuber, and I just videotape stuff so that other people could see what it looks like. So some person might come here, and because of my video, they'll come over here and check this stuff out. What's your name? Nylan. I say hi. My channel is called Tina Rain's Journey, just in case you want to look it up. Tina, T-A-N-A, rain, like the rain coming down, with an E at the end, Journey. Are you going to remember that? Okay. Take care. I already did.
Yeah, it's still on here, so.
Hello. Ooh, guys, look at that. I'm not going too close. Look at that. Guys, I don't know if you can see it from here. The view, not that if you could see it, but if you could get the beauty of it. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at those rocks, the formation of those rocks. Oh my Lord. And if you could feel the breeze that's coming off of that water, feels so good. Look at that. Look at those rocks over there, look. And they have a picnic table here. You have a little thing, which means you could probably have a little lunch there. Oh, there's picnic tables that go right around. I just realized that. It goes right around. Oh. I'm also feeling the spray of the water in my face. It feels so good. Look at that, guys. We are at the Animal Flower Cave. This is so This is how you should spend your day, relaxing just like this. This is Barbados, guys. Beautiful. Oh, a plenty. A lot. Yeah. Thousands. Oh my God. A lot. How comes you're not at school? Are you on vacation today? No? Oh, you just they have to come and see this beauty? It's your mommy's friend. It's your birthday? Happy birthday. Happy birthday. What a place to spend your birthday, right? It's beautiful over here. It's beautiful. Yes. Enjoy. Enjoy the rest of your day. All right. Bye. That's a little friend that I just met. Her mommy's friend birthday is today. So they came here to spend their birthday. Isn't it beautiful? Guys, and when you're coming here, you don't want to get too close to those rocks because we don't want anybody to fall in, but they made a path. I'm walking along the path. They made a path here for everyone. What's in here? Is that, can I open it? Well, that's just the garbage. That's just the garbage. But you see they have benches along here where you can just sit. Right, Sissy? I'm here with my sister Joanne. You can just sit. Oh my gosh, you can sit here and do anything. You can, and there's Juliet, and they're just walking on the path, Betty. But this is beautiful. I gotta show you guys. I don't know if this is gonna take 2 videos or not to show you, but this is called the animal. It's on. This is called the Animal Flower Cave. Now you have a little step down here. Careful. And then there's like a little boardwalk. And there, look at that, look. Wherever you walk is scenic and beautiful. I wonder if people get married over here. Look at it from the other side, look. See?
There's a little fishing boat over there.
Where is it? Oh yeah, there's a fishing boat over there. Somebody's fishing.
You gotta
Look at that piece over there. See that?
You gotta be a real swimmer to be in this water.
Yeah, that water's rough.
Yeah,
I see benches along here. And it goes all the way around. And there's a nice path, as I said. And there's these stones here that is positioned here that if you coming into the parking lot, you might be, wish I was curious as to just jump out and go look over there, but no, there's a protocol that you have to follow because we don't want anyone to be hurt, right? Look at that, look. Look down there, look. And you keep going, I'm going to go straight across, and then there's another boardwalk right here. And you just follow the boardwalk. There's a little step up, and you go. So you have from different angles. From different. Listen, I told you guys how generous and nice Bajans are. We just passed here. We're right here, as I just showed you. And these ladies have, look, guess what? Akis. I have not had akis. And up north they call these ganepes, but here we call them akis. I have not had any since I came here, and these generous ladies just give us some akis. So I just want to let you know how generous some people are. Thank you so much, ladies. Welcome. Enjoy your lunch. Right. Bye. People are generous. That's what I talk about.
No, not here. We bought the little pack. Oh. Thank you.
You have a little shop. You have a little shop in there where you can go shopping, buy little souvenirs. And we have the lady over here. They had these ladies on Saturday at the crop over the big boom with the big bosom and the big bottom. Let me see what it says over here. Oh, just the name of the pottery. Okay.
Now this is where the Atlantic meets the Caribbean, right? And there's definitely a difference in the two seas.
Okay.
Right?
So it's usually a tour guide or no?
I'm not sure if the guide goes down with you. They will let you know.
Okay. You don't want to go, Joanne?
Coming back up
It
on
did.
knees now.
Yeah, it hurts. I got you. Okay, that's fine. Yeah. So where everybody tickets in here?
You go down.
On the opposite side,
This is where the Atlantic meets the Caribbean.
the Atlantic meets the Caribbean, Miss Betty says. And if you notice, the water over here is much calmer than over on the other side where we were just now. Yeah. But look at these rocks. Look. The formation of those rocks. The Atlantic meets the Caribbean.
Yes,
Right
this is
over
where
here,
the Atlantic
guys.
Sea meets the Caribbean Sea.
It's two different ones. If you look past there, you see that he
Yes, the colors are a little.
colors,
A little bit. I
me.
do. I can see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, the epic got a line.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So maybe that's
This
where
is
the
where
meet.
the Caribbean meets the Atlantic, right at this point. Because so this is the top of Barbados,
Okay.
right? This is the top of Barbados. So the Atlantic, Caribbean, and you see the difference. This
Okay.
is very calm.
Uh-huh.
and
Over there is
very
rough.
rough.
Yeah. Okay, cool.
Right, so go get your thing and go down.
Okay. Restaurant here, guys. If you, there's also a restaurant here, guys. If you are hungry over here and you want to have a meal, you come into the restaurant. And I guess the best part of hi. I'm not gonna be eating. I just want to look over there really quickly. The best part about this restaurant is having this view. Look at that water. Look how high up you are. And look. This is the best part about eating here, guys. You can just sit and relax. Lots of seating area. What's the name of this restaurant?
It's the restaurant at
What's-
the Animal Flower Cave.
This restaurant.
Restaurant at the Animal Flower
Okay. She said it's the restaurant at the Animal Flower Cave. So that's the name. The restaurant at Animal Flower Cave. Are you looking for me? Okay. Girls, I'll be back. You ready shortly? Okay. Got a tour guide so we can take a little tour down inside to see. And I'm taking you guys. Oh, you're our guide.
Slowly and steady, guys. Island time.
Island time. Okay, guys, we're going into the cave now. As he said, slowly. We can take our time. Ooh, we're going down there. Oh my gosh. Slowly and steady, guys. Slowly. You definitely don't want to fall down here, so you're definitely going to go slowly. One step at a time. Ooh. Ooh, it's dark. I'm gonna put my light on. 1 second. Guys, I put my light on so you can see because it's dark down here. Ooh, watch your head. Guys, gotta watch your head as you calm down. If you're tall, make sure you bow your head. Ooh. See the rocks there? We're going in a cave, guys. Animal flower cave. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is it.
Now, here you have a naturally formed cave.
Mm-hmm.
The cave was discovered in 1747. It was discovered from the coastal side. Then they dug the hole up to the stairs in 1912.
Mm-hmm.
So originally to get into the cave, you'll have to climb down the cliff or anchor your boat that's more sure. And what you're looking at here is coral. Because Barbados is 95% coral, 5% limestone. We're the only coral island in the Caribbean. Because the Caribbean is volcanic, not coral.
Yeah.
Coral.
And you go slip again, you take your time,
Mm-hmm.
you take the photos.
Oh my goodness, I didn't even bring my,
Think about that phone when we
you
get here.
see? Whenever I leave my purse, I always leave something. I didn't bring my phone so I could take pictures.
Sure. And normally there's not much sand in the cave. We had a couple of storms 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
There's a lot of sand into the cave.
Oh,
We
okay.
won't have as much sand inside here.
Careful.
Now the color you see, green is copper. Green, copper. Optimization, it turns green. Sometimes it's like broccoli.
Okay.
Green, copper, white, calcium. It's been dated.
White calcium,
Green
green copper.
Been dated. The roof is just over 150,000 years old, and the floor is over 400,000. A little bit
Wow.
older than me.
A little older than you.
You need for a lot of photo shoots. Like Justin Bieber's been here, Rihanna's been here,
Oh, okay.
Mr. Bean, Ludacris, the Miami Dolphin cheerleaders, Brooklyn Nets cheerleaders, you guys.
I would imagine everybody would want to come and visit. At least once.
Everybody who's anybody.
Mm-hmm.
Right now, you're at the north point, top of the island, top of
Okay.
the map.
Kenny, pay attention.
I know, huh? I really figured Kenny holding
I
the
left my-
towel.
I left my phone in my bag. Okay.
The north point, top of the island. And then get out to the Atlantic Ocean, guys. The Atlantic Ocean.
Mm-hmm.
Barbados has no Caribbean Sea. We are surrounded by Atlantic Ocean.
I thought the
West Coast is Caribbean Sea.
I thought the East Coast was.
No, the West Coast.
West Coast,
Yeah.
it's Caribbean.
What happened is, okay, it's Atlantic Ocean. But the reason why the West Coast is so calm, because Barbados itself, the island acts as a windbreaker. The island blocks the wind. No wind, calm sea. But we're in the Atlantic Ocean. But it's called the Caribbean Sea because you guys are from Florida. If you're home in Florida, you turn on your radio. You heard come to Barbados, island in the Atlantic Ocean.
Mm-hmm.
If you get somewhere cold. To get Barbados, first you got the Caribbean Sea, nice waters, but we're a Caribbean island in the Atlantic Ocean.
Okay.
That's why we don't get much hurricanes. We get one hurricane every 80 to 90 years. It's pretty lucky here.
Yeah, no kidding.
Mm-hmm.
You guys will just post up by the edge. Time. Slowly, steady.
I think I'm wearing the wrong shoes for this
Try
too.
to keep your feet as dry as possible.
As dry as possible, but
When it
this
gets wet-
one is not very dry. Thank you. I thought about wearing different shoes, you know. Okay.
So nice and flat.
Yeah. Oh wow.
Zipper.
Yeah, that's good. Okay. Okay. So does this usually have this water in here?
Yes, but normally
Or because
no sand, and a lot of animal flowers. Oh, come about you stand by the edge here.
Or usually have the animal flowers
They have
in
one.
here?
They have one baby one. I'm gonna show you. Stand by the edge.
Okay.
Stop right there.
Uh-huh.
I gotta let go of you.
Yeah.
Got one teeny little baby one
Oh, really?
on top of this rock.
Oh, yeah.
A little teeny little yellow one.
Okay. Yeah, I see it right there. One flower. Yeah.
Look.
Yeah. Oh, oh! Did you guys see that? He touched it and it just disappeared. It just went inside. So usually there are more flowers in here. It's a lot more, but because of
Tropical storm.
the tropical storm, guys, usually there are more flowers.
An animal flower.
Oh wow. Are there more?
They watch your head.
Oh,
Ones
okay.
like red, yellow, white, orange.
So
brown.
usually there's a lot of them here.
On top of the storm, sea brings them in, they grow, top of a storm, sucks them right back out.
So, oh no.
Nature.
So how long once this water is
Once he starts to come back in again,
then
bring
they'll
the
come
big one.
again?
Yeah, once
Okay.
when it comes in, they start to bring a little
Call up
young
that
one.
little one just came back up there, see?
How long will it take for him to come back out?
It depends, it's also feeding or protecting. Once it's safe, they come right back out.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And if you look
Okay.
outside, you can see they have a string hanging from the top of the cliff.
Yeah.
The guy is fishing for sharks right now. He's fishing 4 sharks.
Oh, there's someone up there fishing?
4 sharks there.
Oh, okay.
That like the whole 400-pound breaking string. 400 pounds.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow.
But guys, the pool to go swimming is on the next side. So we go to the pool. Go on the next side.
The next side?
The pool.
Okay.
A big swimming pool.
Oh, okay.
Is it okay to walk through?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
This gentleman is helping me, guys, because there's a lot of rocks. So when you come, make sure you have the correct shoes.
Good with sneakers.
Yeah, look what I'm wearing. Look, guys. These are not the correct shoes for walking on all these rocks.
Coming?
Okay. Oh, how much? That is.
Shadow to your right, deep to your left.
Oh, shoot.
Nice.
Somebody may walk over here not realizing how deep that is.
But you know when it's first started going, you gotta go deeper and deeper. You
It
know
gets
when
deeper and deeper. Oh, okay, so it's not just sudden. You feel it as you go along.
Yeah, you know that. Okay. Further
Okay.
up you go, deeper it goes downhill.
Oh, okay.
And you can walk in it barefoot. The face move,
Uh-huh.
you just walk in barefoot. Oh, take, go around in.
Go on in.
Crystal clear water, but we have one rule, guys. If you are swimming, stay in the pool. Do not climb out on a ledge. Because all the
Okay.
water in the cave comes from the ocean.
Oh, okay.
Waves do come in.
Okay.
So I gotta see.
So make off, so the leg make off balance in the pool, perfectly safe.
Okay. Well, I guess off my shoes go again. I gotta go inside.
And they have a picture of Rihanna in the airport. It says, welcome to Barbados.
Oh, really? In there? Oh, shoot. You see, I didn't know that you could do that, so otherwise I would have put a swimsuit on.
And they got a TV show called Outer Banks, shows on Netflix. Outer Banks, the film season 3 in here, March this year.
Oh, really?
And the Bold and Beautiful, filmed in here as well.
The bowl and beautiful?
Yes, man. Where Brock was lost in the cave.
Uh-huh. It was in here? Oh, my
I
goodness.
thought that was at Bathsheba.
No, the film here and Bathsheba. But at one point it was lost in a cave. It was this cave was lost in. But from here and Bathsheba. Here,
Okay.
Bathsheba and Sprite Sunset Theater.
Okay. You heard that, guys. Ooh. I'm going into the pool.
Guys,
Too far away.
one rule, do not climb outside, guys. Back inside. Too dangerous. Just in the pool.
Yeah.
One way comes in case you're ruined. Have to call the Coast Guard.
You can't afford to have that.
Have to call the Coast Guard.
Oh my gosh.
No, you're doing. I'm ready to not that cold. It's not that cold.
It's cold, but
God's sake.
Refreshing, not cold.
I know.
yeah, refreshing is what it is. That's right. Oh my God, there's some rocks over here.
I'm asking you.
Warm?
Oh, it's fine.
shaped like a hot tub. Doesn't feel like a hot tub.
Oh god. It's fine.
Oh my god, that feels good. That feels so good.
My day is 10 minutes straight. 5 more minutes.
All right.
Soaking wet, but it was good. That water felt so good. Let me get my shoes. Oops. And it's time to go, to leave. I just bought this from the same gentleman. He was so nice to me down in the thing, helping me get through all those rocks. So apparently he has they have a little setup there. And I just bought this. Apparently it's volcanic rock, he said. It looks cute. And it was $50, so I just bought it from him.
Just to let them get
Yeah. Well, it was 50 Barbados dollars, guys, so that'd be 25 US dollars. So not bad. I like it. It looks nice, right?
Yeah.
And it's made from volcanic rock. And he said these are pearls from the sea, so.
Yeah, it's all seasoned.
Yeah.
I got one. I got something like that.
I got one.
when I went on the cruise.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I bought mine there.
And it's heavy too.
Yeah, solid.
The pendant is coral.
It's a and you're just pushing this here and just.
So this would be volcanic too? This pendant right here?
Yeah, that's pretty too.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is really nice.
I like it, yeah.
Yeah. And you put it, you think, and you just screw it, and you screw it.